Yeah. Hello, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching from. My name is Mo Friday. If you're watching my video for the very first time, in this channel, I show you one of my best or my used trading strategy. And I do it just to help you guys that subscribe to my channel to learn and to make money for yourself. All right. So um whatever knowledge I get, just try to put it out there for anyone who wants to learn and the understand some one of the simplest and basic way you can make money from the financial market. So I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to talk about pivot indicator. All right. Yes, how you can use that to your benefit. So I'm going to share my screen right now. Yes, I'm gonna go straight to that, so I don't want to waste any of your time. So here we are. So to get your so I'm using SRP. This applies to both forex and the crypto market anyway. So I'm using SRP. So this is my pivot indicator here. So to get that, if you are using your laptop as I am, just click on your indicator. Come over here, search for pivot. Yeah, check for pivot. There are several of them here. You can pick any of them and see how it works. All right. So I already have this very one here, pivot tradition now uh indicator here. Let me just type that fully here so you can see. This is the one I'm using. You can either use this one or use very one. Yeah, so or this very so you can try any of them, right? So to give you whatever you want. So I'll just explain the concept, right? So because I want you to understand rather than just copy and paste. So you're not limited to whatever I show you here. You can always go ahead and do your research and get more ideas. So now how does this work? All right. So now just to put it out there in uh crypto gives you two options. It allow you trade the derivative market, which is the futures, and it allow you trade the spot market. All right. But in forex is a derivative market. All right. Forex has several the currency pair, the synthetic, and all of that. But forex pair is a derivative market. That is to say, you make money when market is going up, and you make money when market is coming down. All right. But in crypto, we have the spot market and we have the spot. So I trade the sports market with crypto. Please, I don't do futures on crypto. I used to, but I stopped. So I just focus on derivative with forex and sports with crypto. All right. So now from what I have here, so let's go to 15 minutes. All right, let's check this out in 15 minutes. Let's look at how this pivot indicator works. Now I can see this pivot indicator. We have what we call the pivot point. The pivot point seems to be the center point, right? So this is if you look closely, let me zoom my screen so we can see it's on the closer look. All right, let me bring this here. Bring this here for us. Yes. So now you see there are several lines. We are concentrating on this very line here. We are not looking at the that was a previous line. So this is your pivot, right? This is your pivot. Yeah, this is your pivot. All right. So now how do you use this indicator to your benefit? Now, whenever you see, just like how I explained the Fibonacci um retracement rule, the 50% your premium and your discount. All right. Now this pivot. So whenever you have like what do you have? Look at I'm looking at let me off this other indicator so it doesn't confuse you. All right. Now look at your chart. All right, look at where I'm using SRP. I trade SRP a lot anyway. So SRP is a very conservative pair. Doesn't go down so much, doesn't go up so much. All right. It will keep you it will make you keep will allow you keep making money steadily every month. Not like some other asset where it will drop to the bottom, like Reef. What Reef is doing today. Now Reef have been dropping like mad. All right. So I don't trade those kind of assets. All right. Those assets are good for futures, right, where you can take advantage of the sell market because in sports market, you only make money when the market goes up. So I'm just giving you based on experience, right? I've been trading the crypto market since 2018. So just give me some experience there. So SRP is a stable market where the fluctuation are normal, all right? Another asset you can trade is Bitcoin, all right? It's Bitcoin because their movement are consistent, all right? All right, so you must understand that too. So just a bonus for anyone listening out there. So when you look at when you plot your pivot points, you look at this points. This is your pivot point, all right? this is you must understand also support and resistance, right? When there's a barrier at the top, it's called what? Resistance. When the barrier is at the bottom, it's called what? Support. So now if you look at it, we want market to go up, all right? So this period point is telling you this is the average. This market can go up or below, right? I mean, I'm going to use from this is what it's called arrow here. One means arrow means resistance, resistance 5, resistance 4, resistance 2, resistance 3, resistance 2, resistance 1, and pivot. Support 1, support 2, support 3, support 4, support 5. It's telling you that these are the possible range this market can go on 15 minutes time frame. All right. So if you want to enter a buy, because in spot market you make money when market go, so you want to make sure that you at least you're if this market is currently has gone from support 2, right now is currently at support is below support 1, you can still enter here with a possibility of dollar cost average DCA to down to 5. All right, so you will now work with your capital, all right, and calculate how you want to enter. Let's say you have $100 to exhaust, you want to now probably, since you have seen that you have set five resistance to the bottom, you want to now enter maybe your initial entry with $20. All right. So if it goes down more, you enter another $20 until you exhaust your 5 support. But at time may not even get to the 5 support before you start going up. So in summary, it is always better to enter below your pivot, right? Below your P. Yeah, so if you can wait for it to even come down to resistance 3, you will make more money. All right. You can even use the martingale strategy. Enter with first value $10, second value $20, third value $30, fifth value just like that, increase it down the line. So depending on you. So the idea is what I'm sharing with you. The idea, the concept, all right? You understand? So to enter pivot, to use pivot to trade the spot market, you must enter below the pivot, all right, where you have support 1, support 2. Most preferred if if you can wait for it to get to support 2, it's still better, right? For if you imagine if you have entered a support 2 when the price was here, right? Let me zoom this up a bit. It started raining here. If you can hear the rain on my background, in my background, it's raining here. So you can see when the market gets to support 2, right? You can see it market bounces back. So these lines are real lines. These support those lines that are really working better. So it went up from bounce up of support 2, went to support 1. So I mean, in moving up, this will be more or less like a resistance, but because of what we are using right now, so this support 1, it came back. Understand? It didn't come back to support 2. It stays at the middle here. This might likely zoom come down to support 1 because it was here as per 1 before. This is on 25th of August. Today is 25th of August, 15 minutes, 16th of August in the morning. What time? This is 3:30. So might likely come back here again before midnight. All right. Come back to support 2 or break it down to support 3. Whichever way you want to pick your entry at this base before you start going on. Very important. So let's go to 1 hour. Let's see what 1 hour will show, but it works perfectly for entry purpose in 15 minutes. Right? You want to use for entry purpose, you go back to 15 minutes. Now look at in the 1 hour, you can see this is your support here. So support here, you can see your pivot is here. See very fast. So it's still a good time to enter this market, although it's still at below support 1 and above support 2. So it's still a good time to enter this market. Trust me, you can still enter within this region, unless you want to wait for it to come to support 2 before you finally follow it upwards. From the look of this candlestick, man, likely come down to support 2 or near support 2 before if I look for. So bottom line, how this indicator work, you pick your entry below the pivot with expectation of going on. If the market has gone above pivot, the pivot point, do not enter this trade if you are trading spot, because spot means that you are entering at the bottom for price. You expect price to go up so I can make profit. So once you see that the price is above or is above this pivot, it's not a good trade for you to enter. Just let it go. It has gone where it has gone. In fact, you make more, but you might make some more unless the market is expected to go up more down to resistance 1, resistance 2. All right. So you can enter here for me and take a profit at resistance 1, then you leave the market. So that's one way to trade with the private table. I hope this has been a blessing to you. Thank you for staying tuned to this very time. My name is Mo Friday. Until I see you again, have a productive day. Bye.